In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the HY300 Projector. With the remote control, select Settings, select then System Information, scroll down and here select Online Upgrade. Avoid problems during the upgrade, do not remove the power. Let me do like this, otherwise the camera is not adjusting well. We'll do like this. Select upgrade immediately. Just wait. Yes, the upgrade is complete. Now, do you want to reboot now? Select yes. Yes, and now the HY300 projector is upgraded. So guys, I hope this video was helpful, and then I see you in the next one.